Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Debug Thugs. So today we are going to learn how to install and set up Gradle in our Windows PC. So let's get started. Before moving ahead, make sure Java is properly installed on your machine. We have covered how to install Java in a Windows PC in our earlier videos. You can refer to that, or we can have a small glimpse how we did earlier. So let's get started. So installing Java has basically four main steps. First would be downloading and installing Java from Oracle's website. So you can Google whatever version you want to install for Java. Open the Oracle website, download and install it. Second would be Java setting up the Java home variable. Third would be like setting up the Java bin variable. And fourth is the main one, verifying is our Java is properly installed or not. We would be showing glimpse of last three steps. First I will be skipping, right, because we are already covered that in our earlier video. So let's open the environment variables, go to the search, look for environment, something like that will come. Edit the system environment variables, open it, click on environment variables. So here we have set up our Java home variable, that is C program file Java JDK 17. So the JDK 17 is active as our Java home. So Java home path looks like this. Now Java bin path. So bin path generally comes in a variable name path. So you have to look like this. This is the path. If you will click on edit, so here it is. Percent Java home percent backslash bin. So if you can, I will just, if you can see, right, Java home, Java underscore home, Java underscore home. Same variable name is used outside as well as inside, and in the inside there is percent Java home percent backslash bin. So that this is how we set up Java. Now we need to verify if Java is properly installed or not. So for that we will open the command prompt. You can go to the search for command prompt. So here it comes, open it, write the command Java hyphen version. So you can see Java 17 is active and it is properly installed. You can also run another command, that is Java C hyphen version. So if both the commands displays the same Java version, so it seems it is properly installed, and both Java home and Java bin path is there, so it is properly installed. Now let's get started with Gradle setup. So firstly we need to download the Gradle. So you need to go to the Google, type Gradle, that's it. The first link that appears on the top, that is gradle.org. There you can click on releases. Now you have to download the version whichever you wanted to install. The latest is 8.8.3. We can download 8.2.1, 8.2, 7.6.2, whatever we wanted to install. So generally we download the binary only. We don't require the complete, right? Complete will have small documentation as well. So if you require the proper documentation and that stuff, you can download the complete. Otherwise you can go with binary only. Click on here. So it will start the download in a moment or so. As you can see, download is completed now. Now we will extract this zip file and place it somewhere inside C drive. I will click on show in folder, right click, extract all. So it would take a moment or so to get extracted. Meanwhile, while it is extracting, we will open the command prompt and we will check is Gradle installed in our PC or not. For which you can run a command Gradle -v. So you can see, right, Gradle is not recognized as internal or external command. This is coming. This won't come once installation is done. Okay. So let us close this. Extraction is done. So this is Gradle 8.3.bin. This is Gradle 8. I will copy this folder Gradle 8.3. I'll go to my PC. See, I will create a new folder named Gradle. I will open that folder, place it here, the folder I have copied and downloaded. open this and I will copy this path. This will be our Gradle home path. As you remember, first we discussed, right, what we need to do to set up the Gradle. That would be Gradle home setup. So I have copied the Gradle home path. Now I need to open the environment variables, for which I will search environment. Click here, click on environment variables. Now we need to add a new path, that is new, that would be Gradle underscore home, and I need to paste my path. You can also do in such a way like browse directory and paste that path, go to that location and press OK. That is also one way. Either you can copy paste the path, or either you can browse directory. I will press OK, press OK, again press OK. So Gradle home is done. Now we need to set the Gradle bin path. We will open the environment variables. Now you can see Gradle home is there. This is our Gradle home. Now we need to set the Gradle bin path. So for which there is a path variable. Edit that path variable. Add a newer one. Click on new. Pass percent Gradle underscore home percent backslash bin. Make sure if you have defined Gradle underscore home capitalized, so make sure the variable name looks same. So yes, you can see, right, outside as well we have defined Gradle underscore home capitalized with same characters. Characters should not mismatch, the variable name should not mismatch, so that way it will work. I will press OK. You can see, right, this is our Gradle home, Gradle underscore home, all capitalized. Press OK, press OK. Now we will check is Gradle is successfully installed or not. For that we will open the command prompt and we'll run Gradle -v. Earlier it was coming Gradle is not recognized as internal command, or now it is coming Gradle 8.3 and it is showing our Java JVM 7.0.8. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.